Good morning, level 1. It is Miss Arshma here from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. Level 1. This video is for explanation of assignment. I am going to explain all the assignment, but I am going to start explanation from the instructions. So, listen it carefully, level 1, starting with the instructions. Okay, level 1, so we are going to start to discuss our home assignment starting with the instruction. Instruction number, so first of all, date of submission is May 17 to May 18. You have to submit your assignment within these days. Now, instruction number 1 is the assignment of each subject must be done in its respective exercise book. Students must answer each question in their own words. Level 1, first of all, you have to answer all the questions in your own words. Secondly, you have to do the assignment in your respective exercise book. For example, English language assignment you have to do in your English language exercise book. English literature assignment you have to do in your English literature exercise book. Maths assignment you have to do in your maths exercise book. And Islamiyat assignment you have to do in any rough copy or in a computer paper. Alright, level 1. Now, how to do assignment in the respective exercise book. For example, English language assignment, first of all you have to make a title page of home assignment on a blank new page, then start your assignment from the very next page along with the date. Alright, now instruction number 1 is the assignment of each subject must be done in its respective exercise book. Student must answer each question in their own words. Second instruction is this assignment has weightage of 10 marks in the final term examination. The obtained marks will be added to conclude the final term result. Therefore, each student should complete the assignment and submit the exercise book to the teachers on given dates. Now, level 1, this assignment has weightage of 10 marks in the final term examination. So, what you have to do, you have to submit the assignment on the given submission date, that is 17 May to 18 May. The third instruction is if any student fails to submit the assignment on the submission day, he or she will be marked 0 out of 10 in each subject in the final term transcript. Level 1, if you are failed to submit the assignment on the given date, that is 17 May to 18 May, then you will be marked 0 out of 10 in each subject in the final term transcript. Okay, these all are the instructions. You have to follow them and I hope you follow them, level 1. Now, level 1, we are going to discuss our English language assignment. So, in English language assignment, question number 1 is read the given passage carefully and answer the questions. Now, level 1, very easy question. What you have to do, there is a passage for you. You have to read it carefully and then you have to answer the following question. Questions are, what was grasshopper doing? Question number 2, why not come and chat with me? Who said that? Cat, dog or grasshopper? What did aunt reply to grasshopper? What did happen when the winter came? How did aunt spend the winter? Okay, level 1, these all are the questions and you have to find the answer from the given passage. The passage is, I am reading the passage once for you. In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping and singing. An ant passed by bearing along with great toil an ear of corn. Why not come and chat with me, said the grasshopper. I am helping to lay up food for the winter, said the ant. Why bother about winter, said the grasshopper. But the ant went on its way and continued its toil. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger, while it saw the ants distributing everyday corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew it is best to prepare for days of need. This is a passage for you, level 1, and you have to find answer of all the question from the given passage. This is question number 1. Now question 2 is write 5 lines about my city. You have to write 5 sentences about your city, about our city, that what you like in your city and what is the best in your city. You have to make 5 sentences. Question number 3 is construct any 5 sentences each by using this and these. Level 1, you have to make 5 sentences again using this and these. This is all for English language assignment you have to do in your English language exercise book after making a title page of home assignment. Alright, level 1.